Hi, I've been testing out these face masks from Basecamp. Who sent them to me to try, and thank you very much. I found them very useful. Big test is using it in a very dusty environment, which I've been doing this morning. An hour at the table saw making a lot of dust. Clean tissue. We don't really want to look at it, but there you go. It is remarkably clean, so it works well. Works about as well, I would say, as the other options I've been using, which have been the sort of respirator type. So you've got forced air coming down into the helmet. Now these are better because the front of your face isn't touching anything, stays nice and fresh, you don't sweat. But they can be a little bit heavy on the head and uncomfortable in that respect. I also find with these, if you're doing something that's taking quite a bit of effort, if you're taking deep breaths, you can actually pull in air from around the not too great seal because it's not pumping enough fresh air in for you. Normally my favourite is this rubberized version of just the face mask with a couple of filters on it. This is one of those, use it a few times and then replace it. This is really comfy to wear. I'd say actually the Basecamp was almost as comfortable as this one, which is praise indeed, because I really love these ones. And of course the other one that I carry around with me when I go places is these flat pack dust masks, and they're not as good. They do let some dust through, in my opinion. The straps on them fail quite quickly, and they don't seem to have a great seal around the edges. So back to these Basecamp ones, just to show you a little bit about them. They come with the blowout filters, or blowout valves, sorry, so you breathe out and they let the air out easily. They have an internal filter here which can be replaced. So much the same as these fold flat ones, but it's held against the face by this outer material, which has got some nice strapping on it, keeps it nice and tight to the face and produces quite a good seal. And you've got a nice nose band on there so you can get good contact around the top of your nose. So all in all, I'm very happy with the Basecamp masks. I think they do a good job. They are comfortable. Certainly there are a lot of alternatives on the market, and you know, you've got to go for what's right for you. But they did the job for me, kept the dust out of my lungs. So there's something else for you to consider next time you're buying face masks.